This is a follow-up video to my previous video on progress bar. Last time we have seen progress bar. This time we're going to see progress bar percentage. How we should have a percentage, directly affixed with the progress bar. And the formula is very simple, equal to repeat or rept, sorry, re, rept, you can type it rept or repeat, and you can give double quote, 5 double quote again. And then you can give comma. This is a value 22 is the sales being made by Mr. A divided by and total sales. So total sale target is 200 and 200 is common for all. So we can give F4 times 100 because this is in the percentage. Okay, the extra thing when you apply this one, it will not work. It will give only this value. But what we are interested is we are interested to convert into percentage, right? And then you can give text. Again, you can repeat the same step, 27 by 200. And the 200 is common for all and comma 0% because we can give a format. Okay, now you can see 17 is there, but this is coming as a bar. How we can get rid of the bar is that you can give play bill. It has come. So when you give play bill, it automatically this will convert into progress bar like this. Now you can see that every time when there is a change, you can see the values are also getting changed, right? So for example, let's say because I have used a random between 10 to 200. Every time it will change, you will find that this value also will change, right? Every time it will change. Okay. Similarly, this is something you have, the target is 200. Let's say we have a different target for everyone. Again, the same formula, you can use it, right? I'm going to add two more column. Let's say different target you have different target, and that means progress bar also will be different, right? Okay, so let's say the target is between again I will use a random between, the target is between 151 to 200. So this is the percentage. I will just change it to number. Okay, and we don't need a decimal value, so this is the value we have got. Now the same step, right? Now we got this different value. On the target, we can divide again. So 160 sales being done against 194. That means 80%, right? You can see that the percentage also has got calculated. And the same thing now, what I will do, I will use a different denominator now. So you can give 116 by 197 is a target. And I'm not going to log the cell because the target are different. Times 100, and you can give and text. Again, you can give the same formula 116 by 197 and then comma 0%. So that means only 7%. You can see that 7 by 171 is only 7%. You can give okay like this. You can, because now the value has got changed. 169 by 154 is more than the target. So therefore it is 110%. Easily you can create. I hope you like it. Please follow for more such tips coming up soon. Thank you so much.